The Harding's painting team was great. They kept communications open. Being a contractor, the most important things in any renovation and job is communication. Talking to the people I'm doing the deal with, of course, talking to the workers on site, scheduling things. We had to close the showroom. We had to make sure things were covered up, no overspray or any dirt or dust. They were great. They were always there calling us. What can we do? Is everything good? Can we do this tomorrow? Can we do this Tuesday? It was perfect. Communication was probably the most important thing.